In ancient Egypt, killing a cat could get you executed. Crazy, right? That's how much they loved their cats. Cats were considered sacred animals. They were like furry little gods. Just look at these murals. They were linked to a goddess. Behold these cat-headed guardians. They protected her secrets. Her name was Bastet. This statue shows her as a powerful feline goddess. Pretty cool, right? Even if you killed a cat by accident, the ancient Egyptians would still be horrified. Look at this poor cat. And you could still be punished. The pharaoh's laws were no joke. Even the cats knew it. Beware the rat. That's how powerful cats were in Egypt.